You kick up the leaves and the magic is lost.
Okay, YouTube. This is proof that... Oh, sorry, I'm zooming in. Okay, this is living, breathing proof. My dog likes to eat my homework. Watch. My homework makes him shiny. I'll redo it, but this is just for fame. I'll hide the camera. You want my homework? Don't take it, don't lick it. That's my homework, dude. Oh my god. Look what he did to my homework. That's what you get when your dog will literally eat anything. Look, he wants more. That is living proof to my teachers. If I don't bring in my homework, my dog eat my homework. You want more? Done? Alright, subscribe. Wanna say bye? Wanna eat my fish eye? Let's do it. Eat my fish eye.